My name is Alain Hirwa Ntaganira, 27 years old. In 2022, I graduated in University of Technology of Byumba in crop production bachelor degree. I have more than 2 years of working experience in poultry farm, where from December 2020, I worked in Uzima poultry farm as a professional internship. Last year, also October 2023, I joined Israel as a professional internship also, where I worked in Balaam farm, in a poultry farm. I have leadership certificate, two leadership certificate, one again from university where I was head boy, and another one again from Kenneth College in Israel where I was spokesperson. I am honest, responsible, and hardworking man. Thank you to employer and thank you to everyone. Have a nice day.